Hi, I'm Heidi from WTI. Are you looking for a splash of color or a pop of color for your artwork? Well, I found that these Dr. Martin Bombay India ink was fantastic for my art. I love these because they're very pigmented. But when you do add that little bit of water, it will bring the pigmentation down a little bit if that's what you're wanting. I also love these because I work with canvas and paper, and I find that these do not make my drawings run at all. Also, once your ink dries, you can splash water on it and it will not make the ink run anymore. Once it's there, it stays there. I also love that it comes in a variety of colors to choose from. I use these all the time in my art when I need that little bit of pop of color. And I think if that's what you're wanting, try these out. But that's my point of view.